how does the 7 heavens, 9 chakras relate to you, and why is it even important? Every 7 years, a chakra opens, like is born. So when you were age 0 to 7, your root chakra was developing. That root chakra is characterized by the color red. It's very important in that time frame that you have physical contact with the mother, not necessarily the father. Now, even a baby, when first born and put the baby on the mother's stomach, the baby will just somehow know to crawl up to the breast and breastfeed. That root chakra is most active in a child up to 7 years old because it's about survival on Earth. It's where they first learn that they are safe here on Earth. If that process of that child bonding with that mother is interrupted, then that chakra starts to cascade, start to either collapse out of fear or becomes overexcited. But in some way it gets congested and blocked. And if that is not remedied, and say the child grows up, then that child is going to have issues with his or her existence here on Earth. The feeling that I don't fit, I don't belong, I can't do anything right, there's no one that's going to look out for me, I'm not going to be protected. And when a person is operating out of that mindset, they will do anything. It could be they can go out to hurt people because nobody's taking care of me anyway, or they'll start searching for a fix to fill in that gap.